Hello. Hello viewers. Today we are going to see about the new thing that is Kahoot. Yes, Kahoot is very good application. You can get it on your mobile phone. You can get it as a website on a web based. It is very useful for the teachers. You can see here it is a game based learning platform. Yes, game based means you can turn it to a game in which the students will feel interesting also and they will learn also. It may be any subject, any language. For that you can make it. Okay, so let us start. So I will just click on Kahoot. I clicked on Kahoot, so here you can see the first interface over here, the page of it. I will just click on login. I already have it, my login, so I will just click on it. The school, the work, your ways to play, how you want to play. Then you have the work like e-learning, presentations. So I want to make presentations, I can do e-learning. You want to do study at home and many more. So that all things are being available in Kahoot. So let us start. I'll just click on login. Okay, I have my login over here now. You must have seen this part that is called home, in which here my name, my plan. I've gone for a free version, so it is freely available also. Then we are having that member, like the school name we have to give it. So Amity School I have given over there, right? Then you can see here my Kahoot and team space. Okay, whatever I have created till now, that quiz you can see over here. Next is to discover. In discover, what you can see that many of the quiz are already prepared over there, inbuilt over there. You can find it out and you can use it, that also. Next is Kahoot. Kahoot, in that whatever you have prepared till now, whatever the quiz you have prepared, that all you will see it over here. You can play, you can do editing. Okay, and even you can see the report, like you have assigned the quiz to the students or maybe any of the participants. For that you can just see the report over here. So next is group. Yes, you can create one group like of your class or maybe of any of the subject. For that you want to make a group and in that you want to send it to them, then yes, you can send it. Okay, so let us start. So first of all we will click on discover. In discover you will have the option over here, create. If you want to upgrade, yes, it is means some amount you have to pay, but I will just go for the free version. So I will click on create. As I will click on create, it will ask me that what I have to do with this. Okay, so let us see the options which are available for this. All you can see that the premium is given, so you have to pay. Okay, but if you want to go for the template, yes, you can go for the template for formative assessment, right? Template like get to know your teacher, template for this. Okay, you can get it. I want to go with the new Kahoot, so I'll just click on create. Now here you can see the first part, that is the settings. So I will just click on settings. So I want to give the title that quiz for standard 8th related to software. Okay, you can give the description. Okay, you can change it like where you want to save it, that you can change it. Okay, I want to save it in my Kahoot only. Okay, then here the language, which language, in which language you wanted, that you can decide it. Okay, here as I have told you that it is in different languages, so in Hindi also you can type it also. Okay, here I will just go with English because I want English. Now it is visible to only you, like I can only visible, or everyone can see that thing and they can give the answer. So here I will go for everyone. Okay, and click on done. If you want the YouTube link, then you can go for it, but it is premium again the upgrade one. Click on done. Okay, now let us start. So first question, like what is network? Here you can see that I am adding the question with that the seconds it is asked to you, that the time limit, what you want to give the time limit. I want to give 10 seconds. Here You can also give the hint by the image. You can take the image from the library which is already there in that Kahoot, okay, network, and you can search for it. Here again, if it is a premium version, so you will not be allowed to take anything from here. Okay, if it is not a premium version, yes, you can take it from here. I will just go back to this. Okay, the free samples are given over here. From that you can do, the categories are given, you can select from there. Okay, like sports, science and technology. Okay, I'll click on close. I don't want to go with that. Yes, you can upload the image from yourself, or you can get it from net and copy paste it over here. Now I just want to go for the options. Here you can see add answer 1, 2, and these 2 are optional. It is not necessary that you have to give the 4 options over there. You can give only 2 options and it is done. So yes, it is network. Yes, right now I'll just click on the answer. Yes, you have to keep it in mind that you have to select the answer. Next, you want to add the question, you can go for add question. Here there are options, like you can see over here, that quiz, true or false, type answer, puzzle, poll and slide. Here you can go for true or false also. Okay, I've given the question. Now I will just give the answer with that. Please remember that the answer you must have to selected that thing, otherwise the this quiz will not be completed. Next, now if I want to add the question related to image, I will just go for the image from here. Which software is this? So I'll go to upload the image, and that I've selected. Now I'll give the answer over there. Okay, Adobe Photoshop. Yes, now the correct answer, right? You can also give the image over there. Okay, it is not like that you can give the answer in an image form. Like if the small kids are there, you want to ask them that cat, so which one is this cat, you have to identify it, so you will identify from there. I will just give the 10 seconds for this. Okay, here there is 2 options, that is single select and multi select. Multi select, it is again a premium version, so you will go with single select. Okay, now we have done this thing. Now yes, the next part that is also very important over here, in that you can go for the YouTube links. Yes, YouTube links means you can ask from there the hint about it. So like here I don't have it the link, so I'll just go for YouTube. If you have your own YouTube channel, from there also you can ask it. Like I have my own, so I will give the questions from there. Okay, so yes, I will go to my YouTube channel. I can share the link, so I will just click on the link. I'll just click here on videos. and then click on share, and you will get the link. So yes, you will copy over here. As you will copy here, the video will appear. Hello students, today we are going to see about Window Movie Maker. Yes, Window Movie Maker is good for... Okay, now I will ask the question, which software is explained in this video? Okay, and then the answer. Yeah, I'm giving another one, and please remember the answer. As you completed, now you feel that you have completed, then you will click on done. As you will click on done, here the three options will be available, that is test this Kahoot, play now, and share with others. If you want to share with others, here you can go for the link and copy that link and paste it over there, or you want to share it on Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, or anywhere, you can do it. You can copy it and send it by WhatsApp or Telegram. Okay, now I want to test it, so I'll just click on test. You can see over here the mobile interface, that is of the student, right? And here I am there. It will take some time. It will be loading over here. Yes, now you have to select over here that what you wanted, team versus team, and if you want classic, I want to go by classic. As I will go for classic, ready to join, it will ask okay, and you can see over here that the app is also there in the mobile phone, and here the link is there. By the code they have to join by the website. Okay, so yes, I will just write it 198695. Click on enter. Now your name, I'll just write here the name. Okay, go. Now click on start. Now the quiz is started. Okay, so the answer you have to select it. Okay, now we will go for the next. Here the points have been counted. Next, true or false, land is covering larger area than man. Okay, you will see the seconds are moving on according to it. When you want to end the game over there, your points will come. Now the next, which software is this? So yes. Okay, click on next. You can see the score here also. Then click on next. I have 4 questions. You know very well that 4 questions for that I have prepared over here, right? Hello students, today we are going to see about Window. Okay, so Window Movie Maker, and then click on next. You will see now that the winner, it is the first place. You can see in the mobile phone the first place over here of that person, right? So this is about it. Okay, I want to leave now. You can play also. If you want to play, like teach it or assign it. If you want to assign to the students, you can assign it to them. Okay, as I have told you that you have to copy and paste it over there. Okay, the link you will create over here, like at what time you want to give it this quiz. Okay, you want to assign it, and click on create. Okay, so this is like a challenge, and yes, I know it very well that the students will feel it very much comfortable over here. There is also import slides and import spreadsheet over here, but yes, premium version, so yes, we cannot go for it. So this is about it. Please, if you like it, give a thumb, okay, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you. Whatever the quiz I have prepared, that is over here.